Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education and Investment. We all know not your keys, not your coins. This is now very important after the FTX collapse. So I'm going to talk about how to use Ledger. So the first topic is about Acala and Karura. So Acala and Karura now they support Ledger. So the token including the AUSD, L dot, T dot from Acala-based tokens and also KAR, AUSD, LKSM, Thai KSM from the Karura-based tokens, they are all supported on the Ledger. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ledger. So first go to your JS wallet. Now switch to the Acala. You didn't see the button now because you need to go to the settings and select attach Ledger via web USB. After the setting, you can come back to the account. Now you can see the button to add via Ledger. So I'm going to click the button, put the name, and click save. I'm going to select my Ledger wallet. So now you will see the unknown status code. This is an error because I didn't open the Ledger, I didn't install the Acala app. So now I will go to the Ledger Live app and I will first install the app. So I will click my Ledger and I'm going to search Acala. After I'm done, now I come back and I still need to open the Acala app. So navigate on your Ledger to the Acala app and open that. Now the Acala app is opened. Now you can go ahead to click the save. So now we successfully create the Ledger on the JS wallet. So this is the Ledger wallet and you can copy the address and you can use that. Now let's go back to the Acala app. So if you try to connect, you didn't see that Ledger wallet because we need to connect to that. So I will select the Polkadot JS extension. Now I'm going to click the plus button, connect Ledger, select Acala and connect to my Ledger again. So I put the same name here and import the account. Now you can see the account, the address is the same as what you have seen on the JS wallet. So now you can switch, click the change and switch to the Ledger, confirm. Alright, now you connect to your Ledger wallet. You didn't have any asset now, but once you have, you can use a bridge, you can use all the functions. So now I will go back to the JS wallet. From the JS wallet here, I can copy the address. I want to send the Acala to the Ledger. So I will put the address here and send 1.1 Acala. So here I put my password because the wallet I have is a hot wallet. So this is the JS wallet. If someone knows my password, they may steal my fund. However, with the Ledger, now it is much safer. So you can check the Acala, it is already there, but if someone they try to access my computer and send the Ledger wallet Acala to some other wallet, you can see that it says unable to connect to the Ledger. I have to connect to my Ledger in order to approve or reject this transaction. So here I'm going to reject that, but you can see the top right, the icon. Now it's a rejection, so the transaction is not successful. If someone they steal my computer, if they get my hot wallet. But if they don't have my ledger, they cannot send the fund from my ledger wallet. In order to get the Acala in my ledger wallet, they have to get my ledger hard wallet, and they also need the password of my hard wallet in order to use it. So it is much safer if you have the Acala and save that in the ledger instead of the hard wallet like the JS wallet. Since Acala they already support all of the Acala and the Karura based tokens, all of you now can set up the ledger wallet and send your token to the wallet. If you don't have the ledger wallet, don't worry, you can also have some other options. So for example, if you have an old computer, you can use that just like a hardware wallet. If you set up the JS wallet there and never use your computer for other things, then this is just like a ledger wallet. Or if you have an old phone, you can also install the app, just use this one as a hardware wallet and don't use that for other things. So that's all for today's video. Just show you the ledger and how to use that for the Acala. In the future, I'm going to make more videos about using ledger in Polkadot ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.